Hello and welcome to Priscilla's Cooking. Today I'm going to be making some blackened shrimp just for a serving. One serving over a bowl of rice. I already cooked my rice, so it's pre-cooked and it was instant. But I'm going to do the blackened shrimp so you can see how to add the flavor to it. I put in 1/3 of stick of butter. You got to melt it down. Turn this heat down a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to add some garlic. This is like garlic butter now. Cumin, ground cumin, sprinkle, mix it around. Flavor off the side of the pan. Now we're going to add onion powder. See, all the flavors are coming together with the butter. And now I'm going to add some thyme. I don't know, but thyme goes good with everything. And then I'm going to add some cilantro. This is dried cilantro. Mix it in. After it has sit here and simmered a little bit, getting these flavors and spices in the butter, I'm going to add my shrimp in. Let's get this flavors all over this shrimp. Mix it in well, get the juices all over it. The butter. We're going to let them simmer and saute in the butter until done. If I can get these apart here, these two. Make sure they're covered real good in this butter seasoned sauce. And this will become your blackened shrimp once it's done. Simmer until done. This is my blackened shrimp topped over white rice, instant white rice that is, and sprinkled with dry cilantro. This only took maybe not even 10 minutes to make. For quick dinners, quick lunches, throw togethers, it's really quick and you'll love it.